Everything starts with crystal clear water that is cleaned again and again. Only perfectly purified water is allowed to move to the next step.
Carefully measured sugar helps create the drink's familiar taste.
Every ingredient has an important job before mixing can begin. Even the smallest measurement can make a big difference. Smart computers help every batch stay perfectly consistent. The journey truly begins as every ingredient comes together inside the giant mixer. Powerful mixers help every ingredient blend together evenly. Smart computers keep every batch working exactly as planned. Keeping the right temperature helps protect the quality of every batch. Constant movement keeps every drop perfectly mixed. Small checks help make sure everything stays just right. Now the finished drink begins its journey to the next stage. Everything is now ready for the drink's new home. Now it's time to create the cans that will hold every energy drink. Every can begins as one giant roll of aluminum. Every can is carefully trimmed to the perfect size. A protective layer keeps every drink fresh inside the can. Bright designs give every can its bold, modern look. Every can is cleaned one last time before it is filled. Powerful filling machines work with amazing speed and precision. A short pause helps every can prepare for sealing. Every lid is placed with perfect accuracy. A perfectly sealed can helps protect every drop inside. Every can is checked before moving to the next step. Cooling helps prepare every can for the final finishing steps. Strong air removes every tiny drop of water. Only the best cans continue to the next stage. Now every finished can is ready for its final journey through the factory. Fast-moving robots organize every can with amazing accuracy. Smart cameras check every can in just a fraction of a second. Lasers help every can stay perfectly in line. Every package receives its own production information. Every robot knows exactly where each can should go. One control room helps the entire factory work together. Every conveyor works together like one giant moving highway. Powerful robots build perfect pallets in just seconds. Thousands of machines and people work together every single day. Now the finished products are ready for packaging and shipment. The warehouse safely stores thousands of finished products. Driverless vehicles move heavy pallets safely and smoothly. Smart machines place every pallet exactly where it belongs.
Skilled operators help prepare every shipment for delivery.
Every shipment is tracked before it leaves the warehouse. Every pallet is loaded carefully for a safe journey. The journey continues as the trucks leave the factory. Now the finished products begin their journey to stores around the world. The journey continues as the products travel across the country. Large distribution centers help deliver products to many cities. Every shipment is carefully sorted before its final delivery. Smaller trucks bring products closer to local stores. Now the products are almost ready for customers. Every can is placed neatly so customers can find it easily.
After a long journey, the drink is finally ready to be enjoyed.
From carefully selected ingredients to store shelves, every step mattered. Every step worked together to create one finished energy drink. Thousands of machines work together every single day. Automation helps every package move quickly and safely. The warehouse keeps every shipment organized and ready. Every can tells the story of an incredible manufacturing journey.
From carefully selected ingredients to the finished product, that's how modern factories produce energy drinks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next factory adventure.